Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Brainplosion. In this video we're going to be making a candle out of crayons. All you really need is a candle wax holder, the candle wick, crayons, and a candle wax melter, or just some way to melt the crayons. If you have a pre-made wick, you can skip this part, but you just put this through and then just cut it to the length of the wax holder. Just have fun with it. It doesn't have to be perfect and you don't need that many supplies. You could also use a pencil or a pen and tie the wick to it so it can be in the middle. Alright guys, hopefully you liked the video. As you can see, it's not the best candle and I don't think you would even want to light it up because of the smell. I had to keep lighting it up to keep it going. I guess it's kind of obvious, but yeah guys, hopefully you liked the video. Please give it a like, share it if you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. We're past 120 subscribers. That's crazy. I think that we just passed 100 subs like a week ago. So yeah, thank you guys for everything. Sorry if my videos are kind of scattered all over. I know that I'm supposed to upload every Saturday, but because of school, it's all kind of all up in the air with this whole coronavirus thing. But yeah, please be patient with me. See you guys later. Peace.